2 or 3 months after the stablecoin was introduced, and gains. So if you would have had Terra down here at 20 cents and 91, you're like a gazillion X.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. So this one's hot off the press. Tron, just when you thought we forgot about the ghost chain. Tron to create algorithmic stablecoin to be more like Terra with a $10 billion reserve. So why am I looking at this? Well, basically, one of the problems with Tron is it's just always had way too many coins. Okay, so let's establish that. Second, UST and Terra. So if you know anything about this, it's actually Luna, Terra, $91. So if you've seen this thing has been on a tear. $91, and it was pretty much completely dead for 2 years, and then it just blam. So why do I think this is interesting? Well, if you understand the mechanics of Terra and UST, you know to mint UST stablecoin, you have to burn Luna. So this burning mechanism chomps up, and basically you got this algorithmic stablecoin thing going. So why do I think this is very interesting? Because Tron wants to copy it. So put 2 and 2 together. Tron to be like Terra. So, as you can see, Tron had this nice little uptick. Now, am I saying Tron's going to moon tomorrow? Am I saying Tron's going to moon in a week? Am I saying it's going to be a month? Is it going to be 3 months? Well, that's a great question. First and foremost, this is a mid to long term play. I normally don't hold a lot of Tron, but let's look at Luna. Nothing. Okay, around January, little activity, and then whammy. Okay, let's look how long their stablecoin's been in existence. October 20th. So it took about 2 or 3 months after the stablecoin was introduced, and gains. So if you would have had Terra down here at 20 cents and 91, you're like a gazillion X. Do I think Tron has the same potential? Well, Tron's starting at 7 cents. Luna started at 20 cents. Okay, nothing. Well, it was then it died, nothing. Let's just call it 20 cents. I think this is and could be like the trade of the century. I think this could be $1 million trade. So, DYOR, not financial advice, but I do think mechanically this could be a good solution to make Tron a moon. There's no guarantee. Don't know how long it's going to take. Depends on how aggressive this is. But I know that they said they wanted to start this in May. So they're really trying to get this off really, really fast. So this is going to be interesting. But, so, if you take anything away from this video today, that is, get yourself a little bag of Tron. Little bag. I always talk about these type of trades, longer term trades. Maybe put 1% in, 2%. A small portion of your bag. If Tron can pull this off, we could finally see Tron go to the moon. So, who knows what's possible? Anyways, like, subscribe. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.